Welcome to our video on ISO 16000 Part 40, a standard for indoor air quality management systems. This standard is crucial for organizations aiming to manage and improve the quality of indoor air effectively. ISO 16000 Part 40 specifies requirements for establishing an indoor air quality management system. It is applicable to any organization seeking to manage, maintain, and improve indoor air quality, ensuring conformity of the management system with the standard's requirements. This standard is applicable to all indoor environments, excluding industrial or agricultural facilities. It covers spaces occupied by regular users, clients, and workers, ensuring a healthy indoor environment for everyone involved. The scope of ISO 16000 Part 40 includes understanding the organization and its context, identifying stakeholders' needs, and determining the system's scope. It emphasizes leadership, commitment, and policy development for effective implementation. Planning is a critical component, addressing risks and opportunities, setting objectives, and managing indoor air quality aspects. The standard outlines the necessary resources, competencies, and communication strategies for successful implementation. Operational planning and control are essential for maintaining indoor air quality. This involves planning purchases, managing ventilation systems, and ensuring operational control to meet the standard's requirements. Performance evaluation is vital, involving monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation. Internal audits and management reviews help organizations assess their system's effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Continual improvement is a core principle of ISO 16000 Part 40. Organizations should implement processes for ongoing enhancement based on the findings of audits and reviews. Implementing an indoor air quality management system involves several steps. These include leadership commitment, defining context, ensuring legal compliance, and setting policy objectives, which are foundational to the process. Risk assessment is crucial for identifying potential indoor air quality risks. Evaluating the impact on occupants' health and well-being helps organizations develop effective management strategies. Defining organizational structure, roles, and responsibilities ensures effective system implementation. Competence and training programs are necessary to equip personnel with the skills needed for managing indoor air quality. Effective communication processes are crucial for informing and educating building occupants about indoor air quality. Documentation and information management support the system's integrity and accessibility. Monitoring and measuring indoor air quality parameters are essential. Regular assessments using appropriate methods help organizations maintain conformity with the requirements of ISO 16000 Part 40. Analyzing indoor air quality data helps assess performance and identify improvement areas. Feedback mechanisms encourage occupants to report concerns, enhancing the system's responsiveness. Emergency response plans are crucial for managing indoor air quality emergencies. Establishing protocols ensures organizations can effectively handle situations impacting air quality. Performance evaluation involves setting key performance indicators to measure system effectiveness. Regular monitoring and evaluation against these indicators help maintain high indoor air quality standards. In conclusion, implementing an indoor air quality management system is an ongoing process. Organizations should continually monitor, evaluate, and improve their systems to ensure a healthy indoor environment for occupants. Thank you for watching.